TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 hours left to go in the trading day, and all the major indices currently in the red. Dow Jones negative 107 points, trading 25,092. S&P is currently negative by 9, trading at 2806, and the Nasdaq negative by 29 points, trading at 7825. Start things off. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of these futures markets as we're about the middle of the trading day. Started off with the Dow 30, so off the highs of the session that we made about an hour ago, also near the opening bell. Currently trading 25,078. We're about 40 points higher at the highs on those couple occasions. Nasdaq 100. Somewhat similar story near the lows of the session, though, currently trading 73.68. We're as high as 7,400 almost. 74.01 the high right after the open, so about 30 points off the high for the Nasdaq 100. S&P is right in the middle of its trading range, currently trading at 28.06. Crude oil, quite a roller coaster, I'll get it out, in both directions. So we trade lower throughout most of the morning up until about 6:30. We're trading at 66.63. From there, we climb a solid $2, and from there, we're off $1. So up 2, down 1, currently right in the middle of that, 67.70 for the price of crude. Bitcoin bouncing around in both directions as well, spiked above 7,500 for a brief period early this morning, just about 10 a.m. Eastern time. From there, off a bit, trading 73.73. Gold contract continuing to struggle off the lows, but still 12.16 on the day, off about $10. And copper at lows for the year, dipping to about 267 at one point. Saw even making headlines. It takes a lot for copper to make headlines. When you're hitting one-year lows, though, that'll do it. What else we have happening this morning? Jobless claims. Talk about records. Since 1969, 207,000 for the week ended July 4th, the lowest reading since early December 1969 as the economy chugs on. And IBM, keeping with that, chugging on as well. Earnings 308 versus 304 last night. Revenue 20 billion versus 19.85. And to see how that is trading this afternoon, IBM pulling back a bit from the highs, still up almost 3% on the day, and jumping around to some of the other technology stocks. How about Netflix? Continuing to slide a bit, off almost 2%. Amazon, after their big Prime Day, pulling back a bit this afternoon, and even in the last hour, accelerating a bit from about 12:45. Amazon on negative 1.2% on the day. Stay tuned. We have our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now with the Trader's Edge. And don't forget, Steve has a great course tonight. You can sign up for it at the front page of TFNN. Have a great Thursday.